So SafeMoon holders, how are you? Hope you are fine now. In this video, my friends, I'm talking about the SafeMoon. So you know what, my friends, at this time a lot of people, a lot of holders of SafeMoon ask me question that is it a best time to buy, is it a best time to sell, is it a best time to hold. So finally friends, in this video I will show you, my friends, keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. At this time, if we look the latest price of the SafeMoon, so 0.00004 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the SafeMoon. On the other side, if we look the price changes of the SafeMoon, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week in price change occur in the SafeMoon is completely positive, my friends. Positive changes occur in the SafeMoon, my friends. I really love SafeMoon at this time, my friends, because whole changes is positive, my friends. Anyways, let me show you, my friends, the latest update, the latest price chart of the SafeMoon. My friends, the current situation of the SafeMoon is going neutral. That is the last 60-minute price chart of the SafeMoon. So the current situation of the SafeMoon is going neutral, not goes upward, not fast down. But you know what, my friends, my prediction tells us that there is a lot of chances to the price will pump, my friends. A lot of chances to the price will pump. So my friends, that's mean that you are in the profit if you decide to sell on this time. So if you are in the profit, not in loss. But my friends, I recommend for everyone to please hold, because now the pumping time of the SafeMoon are still continue. So make a good amount of profit with the SafeMoon. Please hold it, don't decide to sell, my friends. And if you want to buy more, so it's a good idea, buy more and more and make a profit with the SafeMoon, my friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research, my friends. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech's channel for more news and updates videos.